In this tutorial you will learn how to reset all your default apps. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Apps. Open Default Apps. Scroll down to the bottom. Press Reset All Default Apps. Locate Reset All Default Apps. Press Reset. All changes made to default apps will be reset. Press OK. Wait for your default apps to reset. Now your problem should be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.